Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to disable location tracking in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on them. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, click on the Settings option. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy and Security section. Step 5. Click Site Settings. Within the Privacy and Security settings, locate and click on the Site Settings option. Step 6. Open Location. In the Site Settings menu, find and click on the Location tab. Step 7. To disable location tracking, simply select the option that says, "Don't allow sites to see your location." And that's it. You've successfully disabled location tracking in Chrome on your PC. Now your browsing activities will remain private. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.